So right now I'm going to show how to set your dates in your calculator. So first we're going to set the format. You're going to hit the second button, format, arrow down, arrow down. This is going to give you the choice between the US or Euro. So you're going to hit second, set, and that'll let you toggle between the two. So I'm going to stick with the US. Okay, now I'm going to quit out of that. Now I'm going to show you how to set your date in one of the worksheets. So I'm going to select this one, date. So here's the date that's been entered. I'm going to enter a different date. So you're going to hit, we'll say February, the period for the next set of numbers, and we'll say February 15th, and then we'll give it a year of 18, and then that will set your date. So whatever you're working in that requires a date, that's how you're going to set your date. And let's go ahead and do the European version. So the second set, so we're going to go to the Euro version. I'm going to go ahead and quit out of that. Second, and then we're going to go to the date. So here we're going to enter, so now it's shown differently. So now we're going to enter 12 dot. We'll say, I don't know, 10, and then 16, and then enter. So there it is, 12, 10, and then 16. We'll say 1.1, and then, wait, if you use a single digit, you're gonna put the 0, and then the year. So we'll say 20, enter. So there you go, 1120.